Hi everyone, it's Jenn Fast. I just got home from work and I don't normally film after work because I'm really tired and I don't look my best, but I'm really excited because I got a bunch of mail and I got some really cool stuff in the mail and I thought I would share. First thing is my Conqueror medal for my latest challenge came in. I don't know if you've ever done these, but basically you get sign up for challenges that you can either walk or run or swim a specific distance. And the latest one I did was the Inca Trail. It's 26.2 miles. And of course, your girl walked it, but I still did it. I completed it and they sent me my medal. These are beautiful and each one has a different style and look. This is what this one looks like now that I've torn the packaging, but I'll show it to you. It's gorgeous. See that? Even the back is pretty. And each one looks different. And I've got this rack that I'm going to display these on that I have not installed yet, but I'll hang it somewhere here in my office. Love these. And I've started my next challenge, which is Athens, which is also 26.2 miles. And there's an app to track your activity, anything to get me to move, which I really need to do. So I just thought I would share that. But the next thing I got, fingernails for the holidays. Now, I don't know if you know this about me, but I love to have pretty fingernails, but I don't love to go to the nail salon and spend hours in a chair and spend a lot of money. I don't have time for that. So I cheat and I buy fake press-on nails, like the cheapest possible ones from Amazon, and they ship them to me. And they're just like these cute little kits. These are all for the holidays. This one's got like candy canes and snowmen and Christmas trees on it. I thought they were adorable. And these are like snowflakes and candy cane stripes. And all I do, you guys, is first of all, throw away the glue that comes with these because it's just totally cheap and will fall off. And buy the highest rated nail glue on Amazon, whatever brand that is, and use that instead. I swear this will last like a week or two if you take care of them properly. And they look gorgeous. Like you cannot tell that these are not professionally done. This pattern's like pink and white glitter with snowflakes. This is another like pink and white one without glitter. Gorgeous. Ooh, I like these. These are like red and pink and white candy cane. They come in different lengths, different shapes. Ooh, this is a gorgeous matte one in green and gold and white. Another pink and white one with snowflakes and clouds. Oh, this is a cutie one, like gold and red and white. And then this last one is like another nude and white snowflake. So those are adorable. I cannot wait to try those. If you want to see a tutorial of how I do my nails with these, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. Okay, this last package, I cannot wait to show you. When I opened this, like, I got so high and squeaky, my daughter came running into the room. She thought something was wrong. I think only dolphins could hear me. I was so squeaky. So, this one comes from Ollies Lashes, a small, like, indie makeup place. Like, they specialize in, like, goth makeup, which is not usually my vibe, but came highly recommended from one of my favorite makeup artists online on TikTok. And I specifically bought this eyeshadow color. This is called Cenobite, and it's like a metallic shimmer glitter. Look at that. And the whole reason for this is it's supposed to make your lid like look like it's wet. It's so glittery, and so I've been dying to try this. I cannot wait. Look at that color, that metallic shift. That's gorgeous. So I'm gonna try it right now because I cannot wait another minute. Oh my God, do you see that? Do you see that? That is gorgeous. Now I have to put it on the other eye to make the match. Oh my God, and that's just putting it on with my finger. It was worth the wait. This usually sells out. Do you see that? I'm just patting that on with my finger. Who says you can't wear glitter after 40? Oh my God, I'm 48. I don't even care. I will wear that to work tomorrow, I swear. Totally worth it. Okay, but that is not all I got from Ollie's. I'm dying now. So this comes from their Hellraiser palette. If you're familiar with the movie, they have an entire palette themed after the movie, and these colors are amazing. I cannot wait to show you this. I am dying right now. Look at these colors, you all. So Cenobite is at the center, as it should be. It is now the center of my world, but it has colors like Pinhead, Go to Hell, Soul, No Tears. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Judgment, Suffering, and Pleasure. The looks that I'm going to create with this. I am just so excited. And then they sent me a free gift, something I didn't even order, which I adore. Thank you so much, Ollies. This little coffin-shaped box. How adorable is a Frankenstein monster? But then when I open up the glittery little coffin, look what's inside. These gorgeous lashes, and you know I love me some lashes. Unfortunately, I have lash extensions, so I can't even wear these, but I know I'll be able to find a volunteer to let me put these on them. Do you see those? Gorgeous. Thank you, Ollies. I love them. So, to say this made my day, understatement of the year. I'm so excited for these. Cannot wait to show you what looks we're going to create with this eyeshadow palette. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know. Thank you for letting me share that with you. See you later.